Hello everyone, my name is Bhumika Pawar from BCA first year, and today I'm here to present you the topic parallel computing or parallelism. So basically, before I start with my presentation, I want to give a very interesting example. Suppose there is a group of people waiting for their turn to buy movie ticket, and suppose they are standing in a queue. It will get resolved easily because एक इंसान आता जाएगा और टिकट लेता जाएगा. इसमें प्रोसेस जल्दी होता रहेगा, but it will take some time, but the process will happen simultaneously. The second condition is there when there are two queues and only one cashier. In this case, situation थोड़ी सी कॉम्प्लेक्स हो जाती है. कैशियर पे ज़्यादा बर्डन आ जाता है और वो काम थोड़ा थोड़ा धीरे करने लगता है. ये सिचुएशन रिजॉल्व करने के लिए एक सोल्यूशन है. वो सोल्यूशन ये है कि दो क्यूज़ के लिए दो कैशियर हैं. इससे जो भी काम है वो ईजिली एग्जीक्यूट होगा और किसी एक कैशियर पे बर्डन नहीं बढ़ेगा. So I guess this was the perfect example to tell how parallel computing works. In technical terms अगर हम बात करें तो parallel computing means two or more operation taking place at the same time or on the same time. That means एक प्रॉब्लम को आप छोटे छोटे पार्ट्स में ब्रोक डाउन करते हो और फिर आप उसका एग्जीक्यूशन करते हो. So now the year was 1996 when Michael Flynn proposed and explained how a multi-processing system is organized. So basically, Michael Flynn ने अपनी classification two bases पे करी थी, which is instruction stream and data stream. Instruction stream is nothing but जो instruction हो रहे हैं, जो instruction processor को मिलने वाले हैं, and data stream is nothing but data जो processor को मिलने वाले हैं. इस बेसिस पे माइकल फ्लिन्स ने चार क्लासिफिकेशन प्रपोज करे थे, विच आर SISD, SIMD, MISD and MIMD. Now I'm going to tell you what are SISD and SIMD are. So now the first classification was SISD. SISD was single instruction, single data. Suppose एक प्रोसेसर है, वो इंस्ट्रक्शन स्ट्रीम से सिंगल डेटा लेगा और डेटा स्ट्रीम से सिंगल डेटा लेगा और अपना प्रोग्राम एग्जीक्यूट करेगा. द सेकेंड वॉइस SIMD मीन्स प्रोसेसर है, इंस्ट्रक्शन पूल से सिंगल इंस्ट्रक्शन लेगा बट मल्टीपल डेटा पे लेगा. लेट्स सपोज सिंगल इंस्ट्रक्शन बाय मीन्स एडिशन, मल्टीपल डेटा मीन्स AB, PC, CD एंड EF. सो बेसिकली सारे डेटा एक ही ऑपरेशन परफॉर्म करेंगे विच इज़ एडिशन. AB भी एडिशन करेगा, BC भी एडिशन करेगा, CD भी एडिशन करेगा और DE भी एडिशन ही करेगा. This was all from my side. Now I would like my co-partner Tanu Seni to come forward and tell you all about the further classification of Flynn's classification.
Thank you, Bhumika, for making me the part of this presentation. Now I will explain you the remaining classification of Flynn's, that is MISD and MIMD. So the third classification was MISD, and first of all we will discuss about it. MISD refers to multiple instructions and single data. In this, a multiprocessing machine takes multiple instructions from the instruction stream and performs all these operations one by one on a single data. So let us assume the multiple instructions is addition, subtraction, multiplication and division, all these operations performed in a single data. So we can assume that single data is A and B. So the result will be A plus B, A minus B, A multiplied by B and A divided by B. So this was MISD. So now we will discuss about MIMD. MIMD refers to multiple instructions and multiple data. In this, a multiprocessing machine takes multiple instructions from the instruction pool as same as the multiprocessing machine was taking instructions in the MISD system, but it is different little bit from that. It takes multiple instructions from the instruction stream and performs these operations on a multiple data. So this was all about Flynn's classification. Now we will discuss about multithreading. So let us have a scenario first. We have a process which is executing in a processor and it takes 4 seconds for complete execution. And in the other hand, we takes the same process which we have divided into the 4 equal parts, and each individual part will take 1 second for its complete execution, and all these parts are concurrently processing in a processor. So the overall time of execution of this process will be 1 second, and in the previous situation the same process was executing in 4 seconds. So you can clearly see the difference between these situations. In one side the process is executing in 4 seconds, and in the other side the same process is executing in 1 second. And this is what multithreading actually is. Basically, multithreading is a system in which multiple threads of a process are created for increasing the computing speed of the system. And thread is the smallest executable element of the process. So now let us discuss about the advantages of multithreading. So, introducing multithreading in an effective way to implement parallelism in a system is actually makes the work cheaper, and also economically it is very beneficial for us because it makes a better use of available CPU resources. Multithreading is very essential for the effective performance of multiprocessor, as well as it improves the performance of uniprocessor too. Resources like data, file, code can be shared among all the threads of the process, but always remember that stack and registers for all the threads are different. They are not shareable. It increases the responsiveness to the user as it allows program to continue running even if a part of it is performing a lengthy operation or it is blocked.